Hey, what is up, guys? My name is Floyd, and this is Floyd's Tech Reviews. And today I'm just going to be installing a screen protector on my Apple Watch SE. Same process with any other Apple Watch. This is the brand that I used. You can find it on Amazon. I'll be putting links in the description so that you guys can easily find the product. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get started. So first things first. It comes with these little holders. I already have one down, but you take this one sticky side off, you place it down, and then you take the other sticky side down, and then you place your Apple Watch on top of it. Just, of course, take your band off, take any case that you have on there off. And this screen protector is actually case friendly, so you can use whatever style case that you want on here. So after that, you wipe it down with a alcohol wipe, and then make sure you have a microfiber cloth handy, and make sure you do it in the well lit area, just so you can see if there's any specks of dust or anything. Because with this being obviously so small of a display, you'll notice it immediately. It also comes with these dust absorbers, so use one of those. Just see right here, I don't know if it's picking it up on camera, it's like a little speck of dust. You just put it down and it'll get all the little dust that's settling on there. Alright, and just like that, you're ready to install the screen protector. This is what the screen protector looks like. It has 4 tabs on here. You're gonna take the first tab off, and then you're just gonna place it as close to the middle as you can on your Apple Watch. So first tab peels back, and then you're gonna try to center it as best as possible. Alright, so once that's done, you wanna use the squeegee that they give you in the kit and smooth it out, get all the air bubbles and stuff out. So then to remove the tab for tab 2, you put the squeegee on the furthest dotted line away. And basically what this is doing is like, like when you apply a band-aid and you're not trying to touch it, it's kind of like that behind it, and I'll show you once I finish. But there's 2 dotted lines. You're gonna do it on the opposite side, and then you're gonna pick up on the second tab, and once you pick it up, you're just gonna push it through like that. And then same thing with the 3 tab on the dotted line on the opposite side. Pick all the way up, and then this folds over and you push it out just like that. And then you try to get as smooth as possible, or as much covered as you can. It's not all gonna go on there. And then once that's done, you can lift up the 4th tab, and then you can smooth everything all over. You can't even do it with your fingers, it might be a little bit easier. One last thing, whenever you're finished, this thing right here is gonna be stuck to your desk. You just gotta peel it up, and if you look close, like at an angle, you just gotta claw it with your fingernail and it'll come up. But yeah, that's how you install a screen protector on the Apple Watch. So if you liked the video, if this helped you, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.